Aware. Shout outs to Lolu up in here. You don't know 19. Skule ganzi. Hey. Skule ganzi sebanyane pongwe. Skule ganzi makumane pongwe. Boku sesbatala sesafaye pongwe. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Skule ganzi sebanyane. Skule ganzi makumane. Boku sesbatala sesafaye pongwe. Let's pull off that. I just wanted to check if you guys are listening. Now pull up. All of you pops are pull up. And I was with that. Pull up. I see you loose. Let's go again.
I'm gonna need that shit.
Was my time. Skule ganzi, kabdan seba epogwe. Skule ganzi, makumdan epogwe. Boku sesbatala sesava epogwe. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Skule kabdan sebanyan. Skule ganzi, makumdan. Boku sesbatala sesava epogwe. Abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Safike lama storm, still a young in Gaza's cut. We moved to Bisac in the early to mid-80s. But when in the 90s, she was kinda crazy. Was I no baby, it lasts more on your own legs. Primary school days was filled with bad play. It told her to whip all her, we would sing, we didn't play. No team would take challenge us blind, I would cricket. I would get the runs and Sarah would get the wickets. Thought sport was the ticket. Some wanted education, but their peace wasn't with it. Some wanted a street life, and to it they fell victim. I wanted to raise hell, rebel and fight the system. Tell ghetto stories, started writing lyrics. Led a fiery spirit by the name of Toxin. Talented individual from rounds to mixing vinyl. Rest in peace to dogs and your legend, I said bongs. Sebanyan, Skule Ganzi. Boku sesbatala sesafai. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Skule ganzi sebanyane. Skule ganzi makumnane. Boku sesbatala sesafai. Abanye banenkosi abanye. Ifilgoba bakhwekwa abanye ngathi akhofestan. Ushiyile novaka ustone uzomosha nabani. I see a lot of new faces with screw faces walking around the hood, tripping on their shoelaces. Ikona Yagwa 38 was a true base kid where they shot him up and where we attacked us with the case. Shout outs to Marv, K9 and Luigi. Don't forgetting Charles, Neville and Monica's speech. Pushing this rap back in the days, it wasn't easy. We still grinding hard, MCs and DJs. I'm talking about Messiah, DJ Price Point 2. Don't forgetting prime time, just to name a few. This song is for punks, just to right the wrongs. I know it's been long, but we still holding strong. Never giving up, just as Gacy sings the song. Shout outs to Sisongi's on the horns on the song. Sebanyan, Skule ganzi makumnandi. Boku sesbatala sesafai. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Skule kamnandi sebancane. Skule ganzi makumnandi. Boku sesbatala sesafai. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Yes, and in the man. Boku sesbatala sesafai. Abanye banenkosi abanye bekwa semhlabeni. Alright. Tell us my name because Sisonge is on the horns. Kills it, man. Sisonge poetry on the horns. Let's go. Sisonge on the horns, yo. Epongwe. sesavaya empongweni